Alright, so before I even bother turning it, look at that lobe down there and how it's worn. Basically, where am I at? Oh, here we go. I was trying to find it. Look at how that's worn. It's intriguing. If I just peek in here, this lobe right here, where are we at? It's my camera, not where my light is. There. That lobe's looking a little suspicious too. I can see that lifter down there. Look at that. Can I zoom in on that? That's lifter for number 8 intake, it looks like. She is chewed up. There. Now I think you can see it. It's hard to get light on it. And it's not even centered on the cam. That's what's weird too. My light. What the hell is going on? Let me try to get a better. Okay, it's very hard to see. There we go. Look at that lifter. That thing is chewed up. That explains why the cam lobe's worn so funny too. It's not even centered on the cam. Like, what in the hell is going on here? So this cam has walked. I mean, wow. There's a chunk out of that lobe. My God. Okay, this is worse than we knew it was bad, but this is really bad. See, because that lobe here in the front, that baby's still centered. But then you get back here, and they get all wavy with their wear. This is very strange. And the further back you get, the worse it becomes. Alright, I got the bolt back in the cam so I can spin it. And this is interesting. Like, not fun interesting. Weird interesting. Okay. I'm going to zoom in. Enhance. Enhance. Bonus points if you tell me what movie that's from in the comments. This cam, watch that thing walk back and forth. Now, mind you, it's a small block Ford. It has a thrust plate here, which is the retainer on the front. But look at that. That lobe right there is like halfway on its lifter, and then its little neighbor here, even though it's spinning, comes and gives it a little kiss. I am watching that lifter spin. Sorry, bad video. I'm trying to watch what's going on as I'm filming. And it does spin, but still. The cam should not be walking back and forth that much. There should not be that much thrust. Watch it in the back here. It's hard to see, but look at that. What fuck is going on? Okay, so let's watch. What in the hell? And there's some jacked up lobes too. Oh my god. Wow. That's toast. Ugh. Kind of just going through the cam now. It's a lot of pitting and what have you. Yeesh. Oh, God. Joey, we need to go after these guys.